snorkeling was fantastic. 10 out of 10. I was a bit scared when the bloke did say to us, oh, you're going to have to snorkel back to shore.
I thought that was a joke.
So we'll swim down?
No.
The poor tour guide, he got out his life ring.
No, I can't swim to shore. I'll die.
And he goes, I'll swim yous to shore. Don't worry, you guys just paddle. After about 5 minutes, he's up.
Help! Help! He thought he could take us to shore, but it's not good enough.
We were too heavy for him.
And I was ready to get back in the boat because I'd had enough.
So how did you get up the ladder?
With great difficulty.
And clap your hands.
I'm surprised we're still not there trying to climb the ladder.
Okay, one leg in. Can I help you?
It was definitely that ladder. They just don't have the right equipment.
Okay, now put
He goes, is it okay if I touch your bum? And then Mum goes, yeah, that's fine. One on one cheek, the other on the other cheek. Yep, you're nearly there. Yep, you're in.
Oh, how embarrassing.
Sir, you're going to have to buy a new ladder for heavier people.
Just so relieved to be on the boat. I will never go snorkeling again.
Who knew getting in and out of the boat was so difficult?